Expressing this, we are going to use the one under to divide the one on top. Alright, so we are dividing 7 by 5. And when we divide it, we are going to get 1 remainder 2. So that one is going to be a whole number because it's a whole number. Alright, which will give us 1 whole number 2 over 5. Same thing with this one. When we use 11 to divide 2, we are going to get 5 remainder 1. So we are now going to have 5 whole number 1 over 2. Then this one too, we are going to have 8 whole number 1 over 5. Now I want you to do this particular one and comment your answer. And if you are just coming across my video for the first time, do well and subscribe, then turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified once a new video is being uploaded.